Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Welcome in SST class day 1. Today we are going to start lesson 7 Climate of India. Now I am going to give introduction of climate of India. Climate refers to the change in the environmental conditions of the earth. This happens due to many internal and external factors. The clothes we wear and the food we eat depend largely on the climate of the place where we live. Do you know, children, that climate is different from weather? Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. It can be described as sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or foggy. On the other hand, the climate of a place is a pattern weather conditions over a long period of time. For about 35 to 40 years, the landform of an area influenced its climate. Temperature and rainfall are the two important elements that affect climate. Let's discuss the big picture of this lesson. Introduction, climate, seasons, summer, monsoon or rainy season, winter. Now, today's topic is introduction, climate and seasons. So children, at the end of the today's topic, you will be able to know about the different seasons in India. Let's discuss the terms of today's topic. Number 1, climate, an atmospheric condition of a place for a long period of time. Number 2, weather, an atmospheric condition of a place for a short period of time. Number 3, temperature, degree of hotness or coldness. Number 4, mountain, a high hill with pointed peak. Number 5, plateau, high flat tableland with rocky and uneven surface. Number 6, plains, flat fertile land. Number 7, valleys, lowland area between two mountains. Number 8, drought, long spell of dry weather. Now let's start reading. When we say it is a hot, cold or a rainy day, we are referring to the atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time. This is called weather. Referring means mentioning. Particular means specific. Let's continue. When we say it is very cold in the Himalayan region or very hot in the Thar region, we are referring to the weather condition of a large area over a long period of time. This is called climate. Region means area. So children, weather means an atmospheric condition of a place for a short period of time. And climate means an atmospheric condition of a place for a long period of time. So we can say that it is a hot, cold or rainy day. We are mentioning weather. Or when we say that it is very cold in the mountain area or very hot in the desert area, so we are mentioning climate. Now next topic is climate. Let's read. Climate of a place is influenced by the physical features like mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys in and around that place. Influenced means affected. Mountains means a very high hill with pointed peak. Plateaus means high flat tableland with rocky and uneven surface. Plains means flat and fertile land. Valleys means lowland area between two mountains. Let's read. Temperature and rainfall affect the climate of a place. Temperature means degree of hotness or coldness. The food that we eat and the clothes that we wear
depend on the climate of the place where we live.
So students, in simple words, we can say that the landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys affect its climate. Temperature and rainfall are two important elements that affect climate of a place. So children, the clothes we wear and the food we eat depend largely on the climate of the place where we live.
Now next is seasons. Let's read. India is a vast country. Vast means huge.
The physical features of India make temperature and rainfall vary from place to place and season to season. Vary means differ. Some places are cold, some are warm, some have heavy rainfall, while others have very little or no rain at all. Warm means hot. When some parts of India are flooded, some other parts may be experiencing drought. Flooded means excess flow of water. Experiencing means undergo. Drought means long spell of dry weather. Let's continue. In spite of these variations, the whole country experiences a cycle of seasons. Variations means differences. Let's continue. The three main seasons in India are summer, monsoon or rainy season and winter. Now, I will explain this paragraph with the help of these pictures. In India, temperature and rainfall vary from season to season and from place to place. Some places are hot while others are cold. Some places get very heavy rainfall while others do not get any rain for years. Some places get floods while others are hit by droughts.
In India, variations in temperature, rainfall and monsoon winds result in three main seasons: winter, summer and monsoon. I hope today's topic is clear to all. So your homework is reread today's topic. Do question number 1st and 2nd of exercise B and question number 1st of exercise C. Thank you.